What is up, guys? It is May 29th, 11 p.m. Um, if you've been keeping up, yesterday I did mine at like May 29th, 3:30 a.m. And this was yesterday's question. 3372 maximizing the number of target nodes after connecting trees. One, and today, if you have been on LeetCode, you will have seen the problem for today is actually the second question, the follow-up to this question. So we're gonna do this one today. I should have done it yesterday, but yesterday was 3:30 a.m. and I was super depressed and I ended up not crying, so it is what it is. Don't know why I'm telling you this, but it's extra context, just for you to understand my psyche. If I am going to therapy in the future, they can just look at my therapist can just look at my vlogs and then she'll be, wow, that's what he was going through. Anyways, random ass side topic here. But yeah, let's do it. So, I'm thinking I do an adjacency list, right? So an adjacency list, it would be a unordered map, I believe, of int, and then the key would be a vector of ints, right? Adjacency list n, and then there would also be an m, right? For auto. So edges one look like this, right? For auto edge edges, right? And let me get edge zero dot push back edge. Let me get, yeah, right? And because it's undirected, oops, because undirected, I'll have to do the other side as well. Let's see if this makes sense. So adjacency list n, and it's a map, so it's 0, would have 1 in it, and 1 would have 0 in it, right? Fair? Sounds fair enough. And then I would do the same thing for 2, and this would be m, this would be m, right? Fair, fair enough. And then what I do? Don't use a target. If the number of edges on the path from U to V is less than or equals to K. Note that a node is always target to itself. Return an array of n integers answer. Okay, so there would be a array of n integers, right? Vector of int. This would be the array that I have to output, where answer I is the maximum possible number of nodes target to I of the first tree. So it's between 0 and n, right? So for int I equals to n, so it would be like edge is 1 dot size, and then plus plus I, something like that, maybe. I'm thinking. Um, if you have to connect one node from the first tree to another node in the second tree. All right. So every start will be the ith node, right? So I have to connect one of these nodes to one of these nodes. It makes the most sense if and anything that is bigger or equals to k, right? Is less than or equal to k. 2. So this will be 1, right? This would be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll connect this to this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And itself is 9. I see. Okay, I see. I see. I see. I see. I'm thinking it's a breadth first search, right? It looks like it's a breadth first search. Um, for each node U in the first tree, find the number of nodes at a distance of at most k from node U. Mm, I have to find out all the nodes who are at 2 or more. So it has to be some sort of BFS, right? And then I would have a vector of and then seen, right? I believe. Uh, so I would have another, it will return what? It will return an it's not a linked list. It's just edges. So I'll iterate through I'll start on the first and then I'll add itself to the target. Right, target at least has to be 1, right? Right? So the target will at least be 1, and then I'll go through the for in I equals to 0, I is smaller than edges I adjacency list n. I, which would be the amount of edges that zero has. This would be, it has to be J has to be smaller than I plus J. Right. So I'm iterating through its neighbors now. And then if it's neighbors, yo,
OK，係啦，OK。明天我10點幾我會車啊 Kurt 去機場啊，
好，
係咯，咁我哋應該食完飯先翻咯。
好，
我估係咯。咁
好。
我叫阿 Mia 咧拎埋個2個 hand carry，拎3個 hand carry 上嚟，你自己揀啦嚇。
哦，係喎，係啊，係啊，
係啊，
哇，仲飛日本啊，
跟住
fuck，
仲有咧就係yes，我都要幫你買保險，我記住。
係
我會幫你哋買保險啦，買1年嘅保險。咁跟住嗰張電話卡咯，
買醫生咯，我想。
係啊，同埋 yen 咯，你哋冇 yen 係咪？好似爸爸好撚講好有 yen。上次我都係咁用，嗱我好似冇晒 cash。
嗯哼，
跟住係你哋爸爸去日本，我俾陳俾
我啊，應該係我啊，
係嘛？
我俾
俾張
翻你
debit
啦，
卡你啊嘛，
係啊，係啊，係啊，
係嘛？
係啊，
俾張 debit 卡你咪得咯。
可以啊，可以。
呀，我好似冇，因為我好似冇 yen 喺度啦，我入翻晒銀行，我俾張 debit 卡你咪 OK 咯。咁我照碌照 debit 啫嘛。Yes，我睇下
好啊，
爸爸你電我先。咁張 E 卡，阿妹佢係咪都可以做 E 卡㗎？即係 E SIM 啊，sorry。
你問下佢。
好咯。
For a long, long time. Ba, 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 It has to be some sort of BFS. It has to be. I just don't know how to do it. Um, it has to be some sort of BFS. So I'll traverse the neighbors. I'll traverse the neighbors. And then I'll traverse its neighbors, right? But then all it has is like it's already seen. Therefore, this one, what should it return? What should it return? Does it return one? And then this one should return. I don't really know how to do this, to be honest. Um, let's see. I really don't know how to. Okay, so it's DFS, it's not BFS. Right? But I would think BFS would make more sense. Build the graph, right? I already have the adjacency, which is here, right? Out of depth K. Yep, that's what I was thinking yesterday. Substance tracks how many nodes we can reach from U smaller than K steps. What is P? Bro, what? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, there is a whole ass BFS behind it. Oh, I don't want to do this, man. I don't want to do this, bro. I really don't want to do this, man. My brain is not really equipped for this right now. Okay, tomorrow I promise I will do it, and then I'll also do the hard one, right? But I did get the part where it's using BFS. I do understand how to do it. I understand the concept behind it. I just need to think it through, right? I'm 5 times in. I'm not going to do this. I already studied super hard today, so I'm not going to fucking do it. All right? No. Let's do this. Kth smallest element in the BST. Fuck. Oh, I've already done this. Oh, I haven't? Okay. Yeah, I just have to find the leftist element. That would be the smallest, and then its parent would be the second smallest, right? Oh my God, these tree algorithms questions. Oh, these BFS, DFS ones, they're really fucking anal, man, I gotta say. Like I've learned them, but it takes a lot of practice to like solidify these concepts in your head. Like what I will do is I'll take a DFS question that I've solved before, and then I'll just keep doing DFS questions for like a day or 2 days, 3 days. And then I feel like that will really solidify how to write these algorithms in my head. It'll make a lot more sense, and then these medium questions will become easy, right? Um, and then the same for BFS, obviously, the same for Dijkstra's, obviously. So all the different ones, and then the sorts, right? Yeah, so I think that will take place when I do like grind for a job. Right now I'm grinding towards my projects, and then once I get my projects done, I will do the more difficult lead code. The lead code right now is more to get me like coding every day, etc. I'm not coping, by the way. This is like actual truth. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Um, yeah, something super easy would be like the traversal one that I saw. Like these should be pretty easy. Have I done these before? I haven't. Post order traversal. Like these are not BFS DFS questions, but these should be like pretty easy. You know, I have to find a day to really just hone in on the trees questions. Yeah. So how many questions have I done up till now? Solved 135 questions. Damn. That's not that many, honestly. Fuck, I'm so tilted, man. I'm just so tilted every day. Just feels like I have this insurmountable task to do. And then it's like I just somehow have to make it work. Fucking tough, my friends. Truly. Like it's actually very fucking tough. This is Dijkstra's, right? Um, how the fuck did I write this? I do not remember writing this. But I did. I fucking did. It's insane. Yeah, I actually did write that. It's kind of insane. But yeah, I'll just have to practice more. Um, actually, because these coding interviews are so heavy on algorithm, right? I just have to get it through. I just have to get through it. What the fuck is this?我力扣个呢，对吧？bruh, bruh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. All right. Peace. I love you too. Bye. Bye. Peace. Oh, just give me an easy one, bro. Just give me an easy one. Given a string S and a character C, the cards in C. Fuck. Fuck. What the fuck? Give me a bit one, to be honest. Because I've been learning so much about bits. I want to do a bit question. How about that? How about fucking that, huh? You motherfuckers. You think you're gonna get to me? No, 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 no. You will not get to me. You will not get to me. I will succeed. What the fuck can I win? The fuck? Dude, what are these, man? I'm not even reading anymore. I'm not even fucking reading anymore, bruh. Just get me out, to be honest. Just get me the fuck out. Give me a bit more. Minimum bit flip. Bit flips to convert a number. What's a number that I really like from here? I'm not even looking at the thing. Oh, this looks very good. Like this number. Something about that number. 3314, perhaps. You are given an array nums consisting of n prime integers. You need to construct an array answer of length n such that for each index I, the bitwise OR of answer and answer plus 1 is equal to nums I, i.e. ans 1 or ans I plus 1 equals to nums I. Okay, so I'm giving nums as a prime, and then nums I or what -1 or 1 would be 2. What is the technique here? What is the technique here, though? What is the technique here? There's no way I brute force it, right? There's no way I brute force it, but it's all primes. Something about primes. I don't know. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. Jesus Christ. Jesus fuck. Jesus fuck. I don't want to do this. brain is just not in the mood to code, if I'm being honest. Let's have to continue tomorrow, honestly. What about this? 87%. This has to be easy. What? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. It's right shit. Mod 2 equals to 0. Divided by 1. If temp, And do like that, right? Do four. It's 4 bytes, so there are 32 bits. Mhm. That's such a weird ass question. Wait for what am I doing? Oh, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do it. Something like that, I think. What? I guess I couldn't do that. Yeah. No? I can't be fucked to do anything else. Okay. Goodbye. See ya. There's a epic failure of a day. Whatever. Peace.